How to turn off reminders notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off reminders notifications on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile, and then click this three lines in the top corner, and here you will find settings. Click on it, and then click notifications, and here you need to find this one from Instagram, then click on it, and as you see here you will find reminders, and now all you need to do is just select first one here, and that's it. Now just go back, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.